Well, good morning, YouTube. I am going to do a opening video of a Traxxas MAXX 4S power, self-righting, clipless body mount, waterproof electronics 10th scale. I haven't bought a new RC in a while. Been a lot of trading and used ones, so I figured buy something new and see what I can get. I'm going to try and make this a quick video of the unboxing. I know some of these other videos are quite long. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it open and see what we got. Pretty simple right here. Everything comes put together. Body already attached. Nice plastic on it so it stays protected. Good looking body. There's your main chassis, electronics. You got fans on both the motor and the ESC. Nice waterproof receiver box. Big servo that is similar to what they use on the X-MAXX, so that should be nice and beefy. Underside of it, nice beefy chassis. Everything looks nice and beefy, so hopefully this thing holds up to some good solid bashing.